Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Delhi Tarot, and these are your monthly readings for the sun, moon and the rising sign of Aries. Aries, my apologies for doing your December monthly reading little late. I was under the weather and now I think I have recovered a little, but then still you have to excuse me for my throat and my voice. Now this is going to be your group general reading. Your detailed yearly reading is already uploaded on the channel, and soon post your monthly readings. I'm also going to cover the number readings from 1 to 9 number for all of you to see the group readings for your birth dates. But then all these group readings are a general readings. You may connect with me on the email ID website mentioned in the description box below for your personal private reading with us. All prepaid, pre-booked, pre-sorted readings. And yes, the waiting period is minimum 4 to 5 days for the same. Let us see what messages do we have it into your December reading. You do have fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel, and when I'm holding the card, I am sensing that you are not able to share this month what you are feeling within with any tough struggling situation which is going on. It is also that the communication can be a little concern in the sense that you know how to communicate, but you don't want to be so expressive with your communication this month. And Aries, I'm also sensing in the month of December you're holding too much back within yourself. It's important that you share minimum whatever you feel comfortable in sharing without causing any discomfort to you. But yes, it is simultaneously important to share what you strongly feel and give your opinion and give your perspective, especially at workplace or at prominent position where you feel it's important for you to contribute with your thought, with your understanding and with your ideas this month. You also have a card of strategy and you do have a card of world. Yes, if you are looking for a change and if you feel that since long there is a blockage in change, I want to change, but the change is not coming or the change is not happening. The struggling chapter will get closed very soon, but for that, you need a very well thought, worked upon strategy plan, and that strategy and plan will help you in coming out from your unsaid existing situation wherein you are not expressive, you are not supporting yourself. So this situation can be called out provided you have some robust strategy in your mind to bring that struggling situation to an end and quickly move to the other chapter of your life. With the overall reading, I also see that you do have number 3, 3 and 2 here, and this also tells that if you talk to people more in your circle, if you socialize professionally more, that can also bring better ideas once you are brainstorming your ideas with people, like-minded people or similar kind of people into your profession. And yes, the chapter completion will take you to another chapter, but when I'm holding this card into your reading, it is the kind of struggle wherein you are assuming also a lot of things on your own, Aries, because you are piling up lot of information within you. The one of the only way to come out of this struggling situation, in case you feel that there is a lot of going on in your mind, it is very important for you to share your thoughts and feelings time and again with the relevant people, with the people you feel you can trust, you can share, like minded people. But yes, you need to give some care to yourself this particular month, and it's important for you to keep on working on your overall mental emotional health as well. This card is giving an indication that too much of keeping things inside may cause some health concern this month for sure. Now let us see what messages do we have with your oracle card. Yes, one of your core guide, soul journey, or every soul has a divine plan when we come on Mother Earth. One of your soul purpose is to serve the community of children. You do it voluntarily, you do it your career wise, profession wise, that is absolutely your call. It says guiding children, you are so good at helping, counseling, healing children. It's time for you to use your skills, your potential, your earning capacity, your working capacity to help children around, but then you have to see your feasibility and you have to see your convenience as well. And the card of boundary says love yourself enough to say no to others demands on your time and energy. And this is what I was telling you, you need to stand up, be assertive, indulge in a very clear communication this month. and that is also one of a very important part of self-care. If you are okay with saying yes to something, go ahead, but then before saying yes, you need to see your priorities this particular month, Aries. If you feel that okay, it is not bothering you financially, time wise, money wise, health wise, and you have something to spare, then go ahead. But then it says that you need to be able to say no if you really feel so, and you need to set your priorities, give priorities to your priorities this particular month. And the other card is a card of creation and innovation. Something new may come up while you're making a strategy for yourself, Aries. This is an indication that in case you are stuck in a situation in which you are looking forward to a major change since long, but the change is not happening. You need to make some modification, some creation, some innovation to your existing working style, or even to the work you are already doing, because that is going to support you for sure. And now let us see your other oracle card today, your fairies messages. You have a card which says, yes, if you see your reading time and again, there are a lot of health related indications which are coming to your reading. This card is also giving an indication for you to have a decent eye on your schedule, eating schedule, what you eat, how you eat, and when you eat. And it is also telling you, urging you to adopt a new way of eating, which is going to give you more energy, greater benefits, and clarity, because a lot of things do depend on our health as well. And the other card is ask for what you want. So if I see these two cards, there is a lot of healing energies connected to this card. It says ask for what you want, let the universe and the other people know what you need. This is again working around your throat chakra. Be vocal about your expectations, your needs, your priorities, your demands, what you want, or what you are comfortable at doing, receiving, accepting, and even reciprocating. The more you are clear, the more you are sorted within yourself, Aries, it is definitely going to help you for sure. It says you need to bring it out from within and allow people and the universe being to know what you need for yourself, for your help and care. And yes, whatever your desire is, maybe there is a delay, maybe there is a challenge, maybe there is an obstacle, but whatever you truly desire is absolutely within reach. So have faith, as everything is working out into your favor beautifully. So whatever thing you desire at the moment, Aries, maybe there is a challenge, maybe there is a delay, but you will get it soon. And I do feel that before your birthday season, these 3 to 4 months, December till March 2025, is going to be a period of recovery and receiving for you for sure. Now let us see what tarot insights do we have for the month of December 24. And we do have Page of Pentacles, and we have Seven of Pentacles, and we have Four of Cups. Lots of earth energies and emotions, and you have the World. So look at the reading, Aries. Twice you have received the card of World. World is a normal, natural transformation to one aspect. Completion happens, the cycles get complete. It does not give you pain, but it comes after little waiting period, or you feel that waiting period was a struggle, was a challenge, but no, everything has a duration to end up, and new things take time to begin. So you are in that middle path wherein the things are yet to get closed and the new will start little later. And this is what the card is showing. Even though you have a lot of creative, innovative ideas, work related ideas in your mind, but if you see the follow up card after Page of Pentacles, you have Seven of Pentacles. It says there is no major action needed in between. Even though you have that idea, you need to wait and watch the feasibility of that idea, how things are getting unfolded for you. And before even investment, the cards are telling you to wait, watch, take time, even in the transition. So if you want to change from one thing to another, if you want to be creative from one aspect to another, or if you want to make another major decision which is related to any decision related to money, career, finances, investments, property, wait. Your idea is good, you will get good money, good returns for sure, but still you are being guided to wait and watch, because there could be more facts, figures for which you need to get upgraded, or you need to be known for that. And you also have four of cup, which says yes, there could be a disappointment. And if you see this card, there could be disappointment from the past events which were not so into your favor, or which did not went as per your desire, but then you will be offered with the support very soon. And you, it seems that maybe you will not be interested whatever is coming your way, not in the month of December but in time to come, another 3 to 4 months. But I am telling you, after seeing your card, you will be very happy if you will be excited enough to explore what is coming your way, because that only will complete your cycle. So be open for next 4 months, Aries. Just flow with the flow, see what is coming, explore what is coming. And saying no, trust me, in exploring what is coming naturally to you can be little tricky work wise. So see, buy time, think about it, do your homework, do your self introspection. This is a divine help which is coming forward to close a chapter which no longer serves your growth and development. And your other message card today is Ace of Wands. A new opportunity is on its way. And the new opportunity is the answer, is the outcome, is the reward, is the blessing of your honesty, of your truthness, of your, your hard work, your passion, your fire energy. And I do feel when I'm holding this card, you deserve the best, Aries. And the troublesome time was a part of your karmic closure. I will not say there was a loss, but maybe you didn't receive as per your capabilities, competencies, and the way you deserve things. So yes, things will move forward your way. Just last 3 to 4 months, you may feel it's a waiting period, but I do feel that the divine is preparing something really great for you, and it is getting nurtured for you up. And yes, it's your number 4, the Aries card. That's the Emperor. Be practical, be rational, be logical. 4 is an indication that you will be starting, building, creating, innovating something new, which is going to be very robust, long lasting. And it is a practical move which you will be taking in time to come. So, yes, December has two major arcana card. That means somewhere around 15th to 20th of December, you will see some major movements, or at least some developments which are related to you at professional front primarily. Now let us see what messages do we have with your love and relationship in the month of December. And the card says trust. The situation which you are facing, feeling, going through for your relationship with your partner, it calls out to hold trust. The situation is calling for you to have faith and trust in the process. And the other card again is saying express your love. Look at the first card. When you have fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel, either ways, when you have throat chakra concerns, you find it difficult to communicate your true intention to the other people, be it love, be it any other relationship or association with people in your personal professional life. So you do find it challenging while you want to express what you really think about a situation, or what you really intend to share, your emotions and intentions. So the card says it's time for you to express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture which you feel is the need of the hour, and which you feel is also important for you, the partner, and the relationship. And sometimes you need to call that out, that okay, you value the relationship and how much you care and do for the relationship. Aries, you need to definitely do that for your partner for sure. And your last card for the love relationship is a card of retreat. Take some time out and give yourself a break. and take your partner out and disconnect from the world. It's time for you to give quiet but quality time to the relationship, and it is your me time. You may call it as a me time, and in that me time, the nature is also giving the opportunity for you to express your true feeling, to resolve if there is any kind of misunderstanding or misconception which is going on in the relationship. It's a lovely and a very clear and a concise love relationship reading. So December is a very good month for your reunions, your patch up, clearing away any differences in your love life. Now let us see some specific messages related to your career. And you have a card of direction. And the other message today you have is the brilliance card. And your last card for the career is a card of renewal. And the card says your purpose is unfolding slowly and steadily, step by step, as you go along. And this is what I was telling you. Hold on, because things are getting unfolded for you. December is certainly not the time for you to take any major move, action. Yes, planning you can do, strategy you can make, all homework you can do, because strategy is also even there into your energy oracle card. But yes, taking the real time action, implementing what you think or plan is definitely not needed or required this month. It says your purpose, your true professional purpose, career purpose, is getting unfolded slowly, step by step, as you go along. There is no need to hurry or worry. You are being divinely guided for this delay. Trust me, the delay is so much into your favor, Aries. And the card of brilliance says you discover your own geniusness by breaking away from the grind to follow your own inspiration. Your ideas are going to bring lot of recognition, respect, name, fame to you in time to come. And your last career related card is a card of renewal. You need to take time to recharge your energy, to get back your things on track. Making a priority list or to do list for the next year is going to be very helpful for you to keep your focus intact. The challenges ahead may require you to have faith and breakthrough. So, yes, today we have got a lot of trust card into your reading, and the card says that you need to trust the overall delay. The delay is into your favor for sure. Now let us see your final cards for the reading, and I'm going to pull out your Moonology card, and we already have two flyers, and I told you, oh my goodness, look at the cards into your reading. And the card says you need the answers you need are coming forward, and this is full moon in Gemini. You have a new moon in Aries sign, and I told you near your birthday season you're going to see a lot of new developments which are naturally coming to you. And see, look at the card gives you an idea. It's time to take action. But I always tell you that Moonology is a very good deck in order to give you the timeline as well. And the new action time here is new moon in Aries. That means near your birthday season, or maybe once you jump your birthday season, you move into another, the number of your life, the next year of your life after this birthday season. And that is going to be a very clear timeline for you to put all your planning, your strategy into implementation and action. And yes, the full moon in Gemini says, the time period for everybody, it could not be same, because this is a group general reading, so it may vary from now till 3 to 4 months. But this is even giving you a time of full moon in Gemini. That means few short term goals might get completed in this 2 to 3 months, but your long term target, your long term goals may get completed by Gemini season, and all the answers you need are actually on its way. So it's a very big confirmation card for all my lovely Aries people out there. And last but not the least, look at the best card of your reading. It says the end of a tough cycle approaches, and I'm so happy to see the timeline here, which is a full moon in Capricorn, and December mid till January end we consider the Capricorn season. And yes, all your struggle, difficulties, struggles will get over once the Capricorn season gets over. It's a full moon in Capricorn. That means post January, or I should say somewhere from second to third week of January, Aries, be ready to see a rocking year, rocking time ahead. There is a, for your relationship, love relationship, everything is going smooth, but I'm very sure that you are going to see massive, huge, brilliant, and very fortunate change into your professional life, be it your money status, be it your financial stability, or your professional career. Aries, do let me know how you resonated with such a wonderful, positive, and a very clear reading. I will see you next time very soon. Be blessed.